We're back again with TripAdvisor's best of the best awards. This time it's hotels.
Is that the intro? Yep. It's a good intro, Shaun. Right, do that little stuff you do, Miguel.
Hi there guys, Shaun here from FiveStar Marine with a very handsome Jay who bought his dog today. And his dog is cute. If you ever see it on the PR, go say hello.
Hello, 5-star dog. But can I just say, for guests who come and see my dog...
Don't look the snake though.
Yeah, I've got a new snake.
2 snakes.
I've got 2 snakes at home. Can I just say, when your guests come and see my little dog, her name is Mischief or 5-star dog, please don't run up to her because she doesn't like that. She'll come up and sniff you because what happens is people just run up to her. Not like that, Shaun.
That's like Jay's dating life.
Yeah, pretty much. Put my there and let them sniff it. That's how animals see if they like each other.
Anyway, top...
No, I've got this, Shaun.
Top hotels, as said by TripAdvisor for 2025.
I should have printed this out a little bit bigger.
Is limited to just Thailand, so it's the top 5 hotels in Thailand.
Hey, Shaun, I was going to do this bit.
Yes.
Shaun, this is the best of the best of the best of the best hotels in Thailand.
Don't say we agree with it because it's voted on TripAdvisor. And last time they said Coral Island's the best island in Phuket, and I 100% don't agree with
Hey, I'm gonna have to go sunglasses off for this one.
Right.
Right, hey,
Jay
Shaun.
did the research.
So this is the Traveller's Choice Awards. Basically, they take all the reviews and the comments for the last 12 months and they create this best of the best of the best of the best. Right, do you want to see the best hotels in Thailand? It's top 25. What do you want to do? Do you want to go through
top 5?
You just want to do the top 5?
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 1.
Number 1?
Is it in Phuket?
Yes.
Wow, really?
I've never heard of it though. What's that?
Chanalai Ramantika Resort.
Have you heard of
it?
it?
Doesn't sound Thai.
It's Phuket, Thailand. It's luxurious adult only. Hello, cheeky.
We picked up from this hotel before. I've never seen it.
It's a boutique resort and it's also about keeping it relaxed. Dive into the pool with its own swim-up bar.
It's got a fitness centre.
Keep fit at the fitness centre located near plenty of attractions. Good meal is only the beginning. A memorable hospitality and high standards are often found in this budget range.
Just so you know, we've not been to this hotel.
Never heard of it.
We do pick up from it though.
Where is it?
I think it's that end of the island.
Should have done the
South,
research on
right?
that, shouldn't I?
South.
Yeah, okay.
Southern end.
Well, that's the number 1. That's the best hotel
Best
in Thailand.
hotel. Really?
Yes. You said do the top 5, so I did.
Where's Amanpuri in this?
It's not even on there. Right, do you want, number 2's in Bangkok. Carlton. Don't worry about that one.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Carlton, wasn't he in the Will Smith?
Unless you want to give us a free stay, Carlton, then we'll talk about you.
Yes, I love you, Carlton. Number 3, Angsana.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I cannot say that on camera, can I?
No, do that bit again.
I love you, Angsana.
Top 3, Shaun, Angsana.
Yeah, totally 100% agree with it.
Angsana, Luke.
We know this one. You don't need to read it. This one is in the northern end of the island in the Laguna complex. The Laguna complex has got, 6, 7, 8 different hotels,
yes,
plus residences.
A few.
It's a 8-kilometre long beach.
Yes.
It's quite a beautiful spot.
Hey, it's got helpful staff, apparently. And a welcoming atmosphere. Complete the experience,
We
Shaun.
do know Angsana because we have done work with them during some of our foundational work in COVID and also in the flood relief. They're a very good hotel. They give back to the community.
Great spa.
The GM there is a really nice guy. I have swam in its pools before. I haven't stayed in its rooms.
Did you do a wee-wee in the pool? Did you? Did the colour come out? Did that ever really happen in swimming pools?
No, I don't think so. Not in Thailand, anyway.
No, that's for sure.
And it's got a bunch of restaurants. It's quite a beautiful location. In that area is a great family-friendly area to go if you're looking to go for a family-friendly holiday.
It is actually. It's a good place. That's number 3. That's the 3rd best hotel in Thailand. You know that? I love these TripAdvisor things. Right,
Honestly,
do you know what the 4th best hotel is in
They've got to
Thailand?
curate these a little bit.
They really have. Do you know what the 4th best hotel is?
What is it?
Hotel Clover in Patong, Shaun. Have you been there? No, you haven't. At Hotel Clover Patong, Shaun, you get the best of both worlds. Peaceful, apparently.
Honestly,
modern environment.
Amanpuri,
I haven't finished.
Surin,
I
Trisara,
just want to say, how peaceful can a hotel in Patong be?
And just so you know, I just got to keep mentioning Amanpuri because they keep giving me free lunch once a year.
Do they?
Yeah.
I
told you the other day I went to have beef tartare there.
I've only had one free lunch at Amanpuri. That was years ago when my friend worked there. Hello, Sandra. She now runs something in Bangkok.
We love you, Amanpuri.
Yeah, I like Trisara though. Ha ha!
You know, someone doesn't really like beef, but she had to eat beef tartare.
Why are you saying that so quiet? They can't hear you. Someone doesn't like beef.
Not really, no.
Someone! Come here! Anyway, Hotel Clover, Shaun, in Patong. It's peaceful, modern environment.
Peaceful?
I just said that! It's spotlessly clean, apparently. Look.
Honestly, this is ridiculous.
Yeah, beautifully decorated, and the rooftop pool area offers great views.
Let me guess.
And sunset watching
it's got
opportunities.
600 rooms, and you get a free night if you leave a review on TripAdvisor.
Overall, it's a nice hotel with good value for money, Shaun.
Yeah, okay.
Never heard of it.
Not really.
Number 5 is in Bangkok, but that's your top 5. Do you want to see where some other Phuket ones are? Yeah, there's only a few left.
I feel like we're going to get banned from YouTube.
No. Number 16 is the next one from Phuket.
Pacific Club Resort.
Never heard of it?
Never heard of it.
No, nor have I.
Don't know where it is.
It's tucked away in a lush private...
JW Marriott. We love Marriott.
Wait, I haven't done this one.
What is it?
It's tucked away in a
Don't worry
lush...
about it. Skip it.
Laid-back 5-star boutique rooftop.
Don't believe it.
In the 20th best hotel in Thailand is JW Marriott Resort and Spa. That's up
I
north,
think
isn't it?
any Marriott Group hotel should be higher ranked. They do good service. Their staff are well trained. They operate all year round. I think they're a trusted brand on the island.
We love you, Marriott.
Also,
can you drop your current service providers and come to us?
I will add to that. Sala is probably one of the best hotels on the island, along with Grand Mercure. Jay knows why.
Yeah, they're not on there either. That's it. That's
Really,
the Phuket
they're
one.
not?
Yeah, there's one in where's that? Khao Kak. Don't know where that is. Bang Muang.
Oh, Pullman's there.
Oh, Pullman.
Brett's
No,
gonna like
but
it.
no.
Jay did a walkthrough of the
No,
Pullman.
but it's not that Pullman. It's Pullman Khao Lak. Yeah, the Pullman at Nithon's better than you, Khao Lak. To you, Pullman and Khao Lak. We prefer Brett.
This is why on
Brett's upset with me though because I didn't have the telephone in the toilets. He was very upset.
Well, they don't have Barcelona or Island Escape.
They don't have Island Escape. They don't have
Santia.
Santia. They don't have Naka. They don't have Anantara. They have Central Grand in
Honestly,
Hoi Hin.
I'm going to tell you this. We did a video about the top 5 hotels in Phuket, and it's better than this TripAdvisor list. There's a link in the description to the video.
Don't knock TripAdvisor. They
We love TripAdvisor.
They haven't done
Thank
their
you very
best
much.
tours yet, and we're still waiting to get the new one.
Yeah,
we've won every year for the last
we're probably going to
couple
get
somewhere.
ranked like 100th now.
Yeah.
Mind you, they're not going to watch our video.
Does
No one
someone
does.
really not like beef?
No, she's more like a seafood chicken kind of girl.
Someone!
But
when I
Beef Does
cook...
has raw beef.
No, but when I cook lasagna for you, it's
Oh,
beef.
she likes that. She likes your beef.
Someone likes my beef, apparently. Anyway, thanks. Samwa, come here. This is Samwa. You might not have seen her. She's beautiful. She's lovely, by the way. Samwa, do you like beef?
Yes.
Do you like beef tartare?
No.
Do you like amapuri, though?
Yeah, good hotel.
Oh, now Sean's kicked it.
I gotta go.
All right, Sean's got to go. Anyway, that's your best of the best of the best of the best of the best TripAdvisor hotels. If you disagree with any of them, just put a comment below. Well done, everyone, for the best of the best of the best. And if you want to see Mischief, here she is.
It's so heavy.
Oh, bless her. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is Sean working in between takes. Good job, Sean.